Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabs and You with another tutorial. How are you doing today? I hope inshallah you're doing good, and I pray that you're all doing good and trying to stay safe. It's important. We must. This is a really rough time for all of us. But by the mercies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we are going to get through this. In the meantime, there's fasting. How's the fasting? Is it a lot better being able to stay at home and fast? Being able to utilize the time, do a little bit more extra ibadat for you? Inshallah. Anyways, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before and you're with me on this journey already, I thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I thank each one of you for your love and your support. And for those that are new, welcome. Please stick around. Stay until the end. I hope if you stay, you will like what you see. And if you like what you see, you will share it with your friends and family. Please don't leave without pressing that subscribe button. Hit the bell button so you will never miss a video from Naz and Hijabs and You. There's so much to look forward to. I look forward to doing it for you. So I hope all of you look forward to hearing it from me and looking at my videos every day. For now, with lockdown, I upload a video every morning. Things might change. I don't know. We don't know what the future holds. But for now, I enjoy doing that. It gives me a lot of pleasure, especially it's the month of Ramadan. Unfortunately, we can't go to the masjids, but we can still, get ourselves dressed up for our iftar and for praying our namaz with our family, sitting for our Tarawih prayers, we can still get ourselves, you don't have to go all out, but you can still get yourself dressed up. Yes, it's important. When you face your Lord, you must be your very best. Yes, when you face Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you must be your very best. And we must always try to do that at all times. Try to keep ourselves clean, tidy, pak as we say, which means clean and tidy. And everything must be proper. Yes. Because, it's Him that we have to face and Him that we have to answer to. Nobody else. So my viewers, let's make the best of this time. Especially this being the month of Ramadan. I enjoy being here. And I look forward to being here every day. Today I have this beautiful full coverage hijab. It's a pashmina. It's one of the ones that's come in for the spring, the summer. It's beautiful. It's not as heavy as the one in the winter. The color is beautiful. Love the color. It's just so beautiful. And it's a bit of a different fold. Just so we have this really full coverage here. And that's the intention. We've got a little bit of a fold on the top because it's folded differently. The back is covered nicely. And we've got this beautiful fold. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's full coverage. And for those sisters that are they insist on having the full coverage, which is the proper way. This is beautiful. I love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think it sits so well, and it is with minimal pins, and the effort is so minimal. It looks difficult. It looks like it's a lot of work, but it's not a lot of work. It's just simple. And I'm here to make it simple for you, for all you sisters. It is simple. And I pulled it and I took the pin off of that, but it's okay. It's simple. It just sits up there. And there's a stick pin up here that I didn't pin it properly. Simple. Just so you see what it looks like. Beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? It's beautiful. Anyway, let me attempt to show you how I got this look. Stay with me as we do this. Okay, so let's attempt to do this. I've got my Ninja. It's a really nice blue color today. It's really pretty. It's made of spandex and cotton and has full coverage. Everything's covered, all the tiny hair that peeks out that gives you, you have to fuss with. It doesn't happen when you wear one of these. And it's very light. I find it light. And there's no huffing and puffing with, oh my God, my neck is showing or the back of me is showing. No, but when you're wearing a Ninja like this, everything is covered. I'll show you what that looks like in the back. It's got really full coverage. It's sticking in there, and that's it. And I've got this beautiful shawl. It's really beautiful. It's extremely beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to show you how I got that look. Now, we're going to fold this evenly because today we have a bit of a different fold. And it's even. So right now what we're going to do, and work with me with this, we're going to put a stick pin here. What we're trying to do is get a crisscross, okay, for the front. So just put a stick pin over here. And now we're going to fold this in, and fold this in, and put your stick pin there. Sorry, your safety pin. Now what we're going to do to get the crisscross on this side is we're going to pull the fabric a bit from the back, just so we can cover this and have a bit of a cross in the front. It takes a little bit of effort, but you'll get it. And we're going to give it a stick pin over here. Okay, so far so good. It's got this nice crisscross there. And we've put a safety pin here. Now what we're going to do is take the inside of the scarf and we're going to bring this over here. Keep this here. What we're trying to do today is we're trying to get full coverage. And we're going to put a stick pin here. And I'm going to use one of the longer ones, only because I want to make sure that it doesn't fall apart. And I hope I got it there. I think I did. Yes, I did. Okay, so now that we've got that in place, so far so good. It's a little bit tricky, but it's a beautiful look when you're done. And the fabric is so easy to work with. It's a pashmina, like I said. It's got a bit of viscose in there, so it is easy to work with. Now we're going to get our full coverage in the front. And what we're going to do is pull this over here. It's so pretty. All we're going to do is pull this here. And right where that stick pin is, we're going to put another one right there. Only because I can take that one and put it together. But because it's a pashmina, it's a lot of fabric, so we want to make sure that it's not going to get loose after you pin it. And we are absolutely done. Just fix it up a bit. Do you see that? It's beautiful. Oh my. It's just a little bit of a different fold. It's really a little bit of a different fold. And it gives you so much volume. Look at that, how beautiful that is. Look at the fall of the fabric. See that? Its back is covered. Everything is covered. And we've got this beautiful volume with full coverage and 1, 2, 4 stick pins. We could have used just one over here, but I've chosen to use both of them because I don't want it ever falling apart when, you know, you're doing your stuff. You don't need to worry about it not. And look at all these little pleats that you have here. It's so pretty. It's beautiful, 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 beautiful. I hope you like that because I liked bringing it to you. And I enjoyed, you know, you have to try new things. And this is what it's about, trying new things. And this is me trying a new style. Really, it's me trying a new style and putting it together so I can bring it to you. I really enjoyed it. I mean, it's simple. It takes a little bit of working. It's not that difficult. Really, it's just pinning it here, pulling it across, putting your safety pin here, and then working with it. It's so beautiful. Did you enjoy that? Look at that. It's pretty, isn't it? Look at this, how it's falling in the front. It's so gorgeous. It's got so much volume and so beautiful. Yes. Well, my dear viewers, I hope you enjoyed that because I enjoyed bringing it to you. I enjoy bringing it to you, and I will continue to do so. So please, if you like this video and you like this tutorial, please press the like button. Share it with your friends and family. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Yes, and please do stay safe. And do enjoy your Ramadan and your fasting. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless each and every one of you. Each and every one of you, my viewers. May God's blessings be with all of you. Until we meet again, please do take care. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.